Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to craft a Sculk Catalyst in Minecraft. For that we just need some bone blocks, echo shards, skulks, and one soul sand block. So let's get started how to actually craft it. For that we just need to place 3 bone blocks here, 3 echo shards here, soul sand in the middle, and skulks on the left and on the right. And as you can see, I have just successfully crafted a Sculk Catalyst. And you might ask, guys, how did you actually do that? Because you cannot craft a Sculk Catalyst in vanilla Minecraft. And yeah, of course you cannot. But the thing is, guys, I'm using a data pack for this. You can find this data pack in my Telegram channel. I gave you the link in the description. You just click download data pack and you install it to your Minecraft world. To install data pack to your existing world, guys, you just need to select your world and click edit. Here we need to open world folder, and the folder is opened. Yeah, and here we can see data packs folder. We need to open this folder, and after that we just need to drag and drop this file that you just saved on your PC. We moved that file to the to the folder, and after that, yeah, that's it basically. The data pack is successfully installed. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.